Alright, welcome. Here is a tutorial for InDesign. So here we have the magazine master template, which you guys will be using. You can either make a copy or you can do a new one. So then here, now we're going to open up the grab bag. And so this is a grab bag. You guys have everything you need on there. Those are the headers for the pages with your section. Everything will be in caps. And as you can see, it's going to be here on that master template. And then we have one for left and right. There's some other headers that you could use. Whenever you have a photo or cartoon, you'll be using one of these attributions, and you'll just copy the box and paste it into the document you're working on. That's the one for articles, and you can see it's there. So it's like header, and we paste underneath, and we'll put the article. Make sure you change it from Mike Jones, and make sure you know that the person is a staff writer, in case like a editor or someone is reading one. And you'll put the title up on that one, and if you want, you could put a subtitle. You don't need to, but sometimes it does, and it'll further explanation. It's a further explanation of the title. And then so make sure everything there is correct before you send it off. Also, there are 5 columns. So here is the HT symbol. We put that at the end of every article. You'll copy it. And so you saw that I also went all the way to the left and pressed the mouse button. Sometimes it'll get stuck on the T text box and it won't let you copy and paste things as easy. Yeah, so here's just more stuff. Photo caption, if you want to do a caption for a photo. And then you'll put the attributes after. Those are the headers for titles. Here we have like a quote thing that if you want to highlight a quote, you can put that. But yeah, here's some like other stuff that we have. And I think it's pretty simple. Section at the bottom, make sure you do it. And so this page would be a left page, and that top page would be first page would be, this is the left page. The other one that we're just working on is the right page. And so at the top right, there are pages. If you need to add a page, you drag one in, and you can see that it'll like do all this. It's easier to take from the A master, not the none page, because for some reason it'll let you like manipulate it easier. If you need to delete a page, it's right there, and it'll split it up as 2 like that. Then you can also open like up a separate document if you want just the 2 like more clearly, but either way, or just have it on top. And so because now it's like this, we would have to flip the pages because these are out of order. And there's your blank page. So file, and you would save it. There's edit. There's all the stuff you can do in edit. When we send it out, we want to send it, at least to us, Katie, and whatever editor-in-chief, me right now, you'd send it as a PDF, interactive, and then when we send the final version, you send it as a PDF, and you'll go to export there. I'm trying to click out here, taking a while. And then, let's see, I think I have a second part coming up. Let's see what happens. This is exciting. Wow, naming this. There we go. Surprised it doesn't automatically cut it out. Yeah, so here I'm going to go through the guidelines of like how to create margins. So you go to there and you can add as many margins as you want. We do 5 for the print issue ones. And if you have it selected onto the little area to your right where we just added pages, that'll also indicate where those margins will go. Let's see. Yeah, so you're just going to paste articles into there. As is very simple, it also will format it to where I'll fill up the column. Oh yeah, up there at the top, you can see it. Normal would be how it is with the margins, and then preview is how the printer, it would look like after coming from the printer, with no margins, with no boxes surrounding anything. And it just kind of shows like this is what it's going to be like. And also copying and pasting images, you're going to do that for each article. Very simple. You just copy it, or you need to take a screenshot sometimes from the Google Doc, or just copy and paste it. Sometimes it'll be tricky, depends on the computer. But here I am, once again, ending the recording.